Hi folks, this is Mark with Ultimate Motors. Today we're doing an overview walk around of our 2016 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus with 56,000 original miles on it. A very, very clean vehicle. This is a one owner vehicle. We acquired it from one of our clients that lives in Florida now. This vehicle does have the Braunability power ramp. It is all power, all motorized, power doors, power sliding doors, a power lift gate. It's very, very, very clean car. Nice set of tires, no dings, no dents, and very, very well kept. Body's in excellent condition, no rust, and nice set of Goodyear tires on it. Really nice color, and the body is in really, really nice shape. This Pacifica is equipped with all the power options of the vehicle. So using a remote, you can double click, and the passenger side slider where the mobility ramp is automatically deploys. This does have the kneeling option. As you can see, the vehicle kneels down, lowers a little bit to help assist with the occupant with the wheelchair to be able to get up the ramp. Braunability power ramp. You enter the vehicle, and you also can open all the doors are power and remote worked. So this would be your vantage point from this side. Now you can work these doors different ways. You have switches for each door on the sides, and also a master switch if the driver is going to deploy these. And you also have a switch if you're not in a need to have the vehicle kneel down. You can disable that so the vehicle will not kneel down, just the ramp will open it. Again, we're gonna and is raising itself back up because it was kneeling. Now you can do the same thing with the lift gate. And you also have a button for lift gate on that side. And also, if you choose to use the button, let's take a look underneath the hood. Very clean van. Engine bay looks great. Let's take a look underneath. Again, very clean van underneath. No evidence of any kind of surface rust or any rust issues on this van. Again, it's been Florida owned. Looking good. This Pacifica is also equipped with what we call keyless entry and keyless lock, so you don't have to use the fobs, the buttons. If you have the key fobs in your possession, you can lock and unlock the doors with that button. Very, very, very clean interior, all your power options. Seats are in great condition, not torn, not stained. Again, being a one-owner vehicle, has been kept very nice. Now, on these vehicles that are equipped with what we call the easy lock features, when you start the vehicle, you'll get a warning that the wheelchair is not locked. I'll demonstrate that for you. Push button start.
Stop. Chair not locked. Stop. Chair not locked.
So usually
Stop.
the chair,
Chair not
the
locked.
wheelchair will
Stop.
be used. The
Chair
easy
not
lock will
locked.
be secured.
Stop. Chair
To
not
bypass
locked.
that, you
Stop.
hold.
Chair not locked. Warning. Lock deactivated.
There we are. 58,358 mileage on the vehicle. We have all your cruise control options, all your telephone options, voice command options, and different ways of seeing the controls. You'll have Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone on this vehicle. All your apps that you would need, you can download. And you have radio, AM, FM, and you do have satellite radio on this vehicle. And climate control. And this is, again, this is where you can also control the ramp, deploy the ramp one more time. You do have USB and aux. And we're gonna deploy it again using that button. And you can also use these buttons for the side doors. And again, deploying the ramp. You do have a climate control for the passenger, so you do have rear climate control. And you also do have blind spot monitoring in this vehicle, which is nice. This vehicle is currently running, very quiet engine, smooth running vehicle. No abnormal exhaust. Pretty van. Folks, this was an overview of our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica with 58,000 original miles. Again, a one-owner van. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please contact us with any questions. Thank you.